Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. In today's video we're gonna do like this trendy claw clip hairstyle. I've been seeing it all over Instagram, Pinterest, and I've done it with my hair a couple of times, and it's super easy, super simple. Like, yeah, that's why my video is not gonna be too long. So it's kind of like a low bun, but with a little twist to it. So you'll see, guys. And I have this annoying pimple on my face, so let's just ignore that, okay, guys? Let's get into the video. So I'm starting off with my lazy hairstyle. This is what I do, guys, when I don't have time. I just braid up the back section and smooth down the front section. That way it looks like a neat bun, but it really isn't. But anyways, I'm just gonna take down my braids, and I love the definition it's going to give me for my ends, because that's gonna make my bun a little cuter. You can do it with some gel. You can define your ends with some gel, or you can just leave them like that. Your ends don't have to be defined. So starting with the actual hairstyle, I just make two sections in the front, and these are the two sections that I'm really gonna be sleeking down with a nice amount of gel. So I'm just gonna put these sections up, and I'm gonna work on the back. So with my back section, I don't really do much because my hair is kind of stretched from the braids that I had in earlier, so I don't really have to do much. I just spritz some water and I'm gonna brush it down. I don't use gel in the back, but if you need gel, go ahead and use it. And I love to use a soft brush because it gives me like a wave effect on my hair instead of just, like really sleek. And that also helps me to not make my bun too tight, because it kind of grazes over your hair instead of pulling it back. So I just put it in a loose ponytail because I am going to take it down later on. So if you want to just clip it, you can do that, but I'm just gonna put it in a ponytail. And starting with the front, I'm just taking out some sideburns because sideburns are the thing, okay? They make your hairstyle cuter and they make you look cuter, so take out some sideburns. So now I'm gonna be slicking down the front section of my hair using either gel or mousse, and it's not no fancy routine or anything. It's just regular like water, gel, and a brush, and you slick your hair down. Guys, you don't have to do a middle part. You can do a side part or a zigzag part. They all look very cute, and I need to give my middle part a break because I'm balding in that area and it's not cute, okay? My forehead is already big, and if you're experiencing the same thing, then this is your sign to give your middle part a break. So now I'm just gonna put all the hair in a ponytail, and as you can see, I'm putting the front part a little bit underneath the back section just so it can stay extra flat. And guys, I'm not wrapping it all the way. I'm doing it once, twice, and the third time I'm not gonna do it all the way. I'm gonna leave my ends out like this. Yes, That's why I love the definition of my braid out. It's looking super cute. Yes guys, it's cute. You can do some edges. I did some edges. I tidied it up a little bit, and I'm kind of gonna separate the curls in the back so I can have a little bit more volume, because in my picture it was a braid out, but that was, I think, a week old. That's why it was so big, but this is a little bit smaller because it's just a day old. But now for the clip, this is it's not too big, but it's a big clip, and I'm just gonna place it on top of that little bun right there, right in the middle. Guys, this gold clip is giving me like an extra fancy moment. I got it off of Amazon, and I'm gonna list it in the description box, and you guys can go ahead and check out my Amazon store, because I've listed some cute clips for you guys in there, like the nude colored ones. Oh my gosh, I don't know what they do to me, but they do something, okay? But go ahead and check out my Amazon store, and it also kind of helps me, so why not? So guys, this is it. Yes, this is it. It's just a regular bun with a clip, okay? Yeah, it's pretty regular, but it's making you feel like, you know, it's just giving you something. It's giving you a little bit more, and I feel gorgeous. I feel glorious. I don't know, I feel fancy. So yes, this is it. Thank you for watching, and make sure you like, subscribe to my channel, don't forget, and guys, leave a comment down below if this works on your hair, because my hair is thick, but I know people with thicker hair, so make sure to leave a comment down below and tell me your experience. And yes, that is it for this video, and see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.